Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the bat does in Grey Garden. It is an uncommon, No, it's an uncommon. How do I say that? Okay, it's an uncommon pet. Basically, it grants spooky plants a 0.7 times variant chance bonus. So, for instance, you have the spooky bear. I think this can help your plants get more spooky. No, it helps your plant have the spooky variant to it when it's kind of near your plant. So I think I might place that in. Let's replace giant ant with this. But yeah, that's basically what the bat does. Sorry if I'm allergic to something. I don't know what it is still, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.